All right. Number one, Parker, what do you got?
For number one, I got 16 degrees.
16 degrees is correct. Remember, all of them have to equal 180 combined. So if you just put 32 there, you got to divide it by 2 because there's two x's. Okay. Question 2. Jackson.
For X, I got 29.
And for W?
42.
Those are both correct. Again, 180. And then all three of them got to equal 90. Question number 3. If you know two angles that are complementary and you know one of them, how do you get the other one, Dieterle? Can you find the other one? Yes or no? Yes. How?
They're loud.
I think they're watching movies.
Jack?
I said yes, like, say one, like, an angle is 89 and then the other angle would be 1 degree.
Yeah, you take 90 minus that angle. Because they have to equal 90, that's what complementary means. If you know one, you should be able to get the other. If one's 40, the other one is 50. Because you subtract from 90. Question number 4. Now, it's one of these two answers. It is not multiple choice. You need 3 answers here. So if I look at the first one, remember the only time the sign flips is if you divide by a negative. So I have parentheses here, so my first step would be to divide by -6 to get rid of that. What's negative 24 divided by -6? 4. Flip the sign, and I got x minus 0.5. How do I get rid of this minus 0.5? Add it. Add a half. What's 4 plus a half?
4.5.
So the alligator is eating the x. That would be this one. So if you labeled these A, B, or 1, 2, or whatever, your answer would be B for that one. Next one, no parentheses, so my first job would be to subtract 6. What's negative 30 minus another 6? And now I got to divide by -8. That flips my sign over. What do you think negative 36 divided by 8 is?
4.5.
Yeah, you don't even really need to divide it because you know you're going to get 4.5. So that would be A if you label these A, B. And the last one, what's my first step here? Got parentheses, just like the first one. Divide by -2. Negative 15.4. Oh, you got to divide by negative. I flipped my sign over. Negative 15.4 divided by 2. So half of 15.4.
Divided by -2.
-2, yep. Half of 15.4. You have calculators on your iPad.
7.7.
How do I get rid of the plus 3.2?
Minus.
Subtract 3.2. So again, the alligator is eating the x, so that would be B if you labeled them. Question number 5. How long did it take to run the entire race? Matthew,
31.5 minutes.
how'd you get that?
I made a table.
Like this?
Yes.
Okay. What'd you plug in?
It said 2/3 of 5 is 21. And then I divided that by 2 and got 10.5. And then I added that to 21.
Okay. Yep. And you could just take 21 minutes divided by 2/3, because that's how long it took to run 2/3 of the race. So 21 divided by 2/3, or 21 times 3/2, would tell you how long it took you to run the whole thing. Obviously got to be more than 21, because that was only 2/3 of the race. And again, you're looking for the original. It should be another hint you need to divide. Okay, how about the next part? How many minutes does it take to run 1 kilometer? Jada,
6.3 minutes.
how'd you get that?
I divided 31.5 divided by 5.
Looks good. 31.5 divided by 5. And then again, you could have done your table here. $31.5 is what we found here to run the whole race. 5 kilometers. How do I get from 5 to 1? Divide by 5. Divide the time by 5. 6.3. Question 6. Ryer, how many M's do you see on the left side?
3.
3 M's. How many whole numbers do you see on the left side?
As in, like,
Whole numbers. Numbers.
8. Are you talking, okay, 3?
Okay, what's the value of them?
8.
That is not 8.
10. I was adding the 4.
And that's going to equal
37.
37. Now, how do you solve that?
Subtract 10.
Subtract 10. Divide by 3. 9. So M is 9. Now I should be able to write down how far they all went. Jackson, how far did Elena go?
9.
Elena went M, 9 miles. Jada, how far did Jada go?
9.
M plus
13.
4. Dakota, how far did Lynn go?
15.
9 plus 4 plus 2. Very good. Final question. Select all that apply. Do we do any of this part together?
No.
Okay. Cruz, give me one.
B.
B, that'd be negative 36, positive 54, minus 90. Looks good. Trey.
D.
D, negative 36, positive 54, minus 90. Looks good. Jackson. E, negative 36, positive 54, minus 90. Looks good. Anybody else? Is that it?
A.
A, negative 36, positive 54, that'd be a plus 90. Negative times negative would be plus 90, so A is out. Is that it?
Yeah.
All right, that is it.